beautiful morning here at the top lake on Twin Lakes, and this fish has got the full fly line out on me. It is a strong, oh, it's a good fish. This is a shallow part of the top lake, and he's around that weed there, and he's wrapped me solid. Well, are we coming free? Do we have him still? Oh, look at that, there he is. He's there. Put him going for those snags. He's probably well, oh, I don't like that timber. Don't go around that. Don't go around that. That's not good. That is not good. That's not good at all. That's not good. Come on. That is not good. Oh, it's off. It's off. That's better. What have we got here? A big brown trout. Or possibly an Atlantic salmon, I'm not sure. Oh. This is a pass of fly rod under the tree trick. If I'm lucky. Look at that. There we go. Or remove the tree altogether. That'll work. I've come from right over there near the house. It's about 150 metres away, and he's still got plenty to go. It's a hooah. It's a 10-pounder, I think. Look at the size of that brown trout. Now these guys here are actually the same trout. Well, they come out of Great Lake stock, about 1,100 metres up in the Central Highlands, where they average about 2 to 4 pound. Anything more than about 4 pound is an exceptional fish. But not as much food up there, it's a lot colder. So they don't grow as big. But once they get put in here, the transformation is amazing. If I can get this guy, the tail actually sticks. Woo! A 10-pound plus brown trout. I was expecting a rainbow, but a brown even better. What a magnificent fish.
With one monster in the bag, how could I resist a few more casts?
Oh, here we go. Look at the bow wave. The bow wave, the swirl. Come on. Come back. Now, trout, a lot of people pull it away and recast. He could still be looking at. Just another twitch. You don't want to take it away from him too soon. Yep. This is exceptional trout fishing. Look at that. Beautifully conditioned rainbow trout. About the 4 or 5 pound mark. Strong, fit, healthy. Beautiful thing about a fly hook, of course, a tiny little hook does very little damage to the fish. In fact, they eat a lot more dangerous things than a fly.
Low stocking numbers, an abundance of natural food, and ideal temperatures all year round help these fish grow at a phenomenal rate.
This might be the last fish for me, unfortunately. I don't want to leave. Oh, you've got no waders on, so I get to do this. A beautiful.
Give it a 6, that one.
Give it a 6. What a magnificent fish. Look at that. That is a beautiful trout. I'm going to get that fly up for me, mate. Ian, thanks so much for your time. I'll pop this baby back. Oh. This is a wonderful spot you got. You know, they tell me there's another species we've got to chase while we're down here. It'll surprise a lot of people, but I don't really want to leave here.
Not many people do. I don't.
We'll see what happens coming up after the break. Thanks for your time, mate.
Thank you very much.